So first thing first, you need to sign in on the YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. And after that, you want to make sure you are already purchasing the base plan of YouTube TV and ensure the subscription is still active. Because you cannot watch C-SPAN 3 with not having YouTube TV base plan first. So on the homepage of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen, and then you want to click right here on the store icon. And then you want to click on all right here to see all the networks. And then you want to click on YouTube TV. And you want to add YouTube TV base plan to your membership by paying for $16 per month, and you can get free trial. So just click on next and then complete your purchase with your credit card, debit card, or even your PayPal. After you book the package, you want to go to your top right of your screen again, but this time click on the search icon. And then you want to search for C-SPAN. Right here on the C-SPAN 3 network, you want to click on it. And then you want to scroll down and you can just see the live session of the C-SPAN 3 and also the series from the C-SPAN 3 and the history version of the C-SPAN 3. If you still have any questions, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. And that's how to watch C-SPAN 3 on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.